Once I'm logged into TinkerCAD, I will go to Create 3D Design to open a blank work plane. To make my birdhouse, I'm first going to take out a cube or rectangular prism, make it a little bit taller, and I'm actually going to duplicate this, or I could copy and paste, so I have two of the same size. I'm going to make one of them into a hole and make it a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to use the black cone at the top to raise it up. I'm going to put it inside of this box. I could select both the red box and the hollowed one and align it to the center so that I know that my hole in this birdhouse will be centered right in the middle. So the insulated walls will all be the same size. Then I'll hit group to put these together. When I look at this top, I can now see it's a hollowed out house. From here, I need a roof. So I'll take out a triangular prism, make it bigger, maybe a little bit taller too. And bring it over here, take the cone, drag it up. Now, when I move here, I could see it's not aligned very properly. It's not together at all, right? So I'm going to look at the height of my red box. When I click on the white box on top of it, it's 64. So I know I need to lower my green roof. Let me zoom out a little. Lower my green roof so it's at 64. So it's right on top of my box. And I can make it bigger or smaller at that point too. I want it to hang off so that the rain doesn't get on the birdies. Okay, and it's okay if it hangs off. It's your design. That's how I like it, so that they have a little bit room there. But how are the birds going to get inside? So I need a hole so that they can fly right in. I'm going to rotate it. Actually, I don't want it rotated that way. I want it rotated. Let's see here. I'm going to zoom it in. I want it over here. I want it rotated this way. I'm going to make it a hole so it's transparent. And I want to line this up. I'm going to actually move it up a little. I'm going to line this up. I want it to be in the middle. So let me hit the red box and my cylinder. I'm going to align it. Oh, it's perfectly in the center already. How did I do that? That's nice. I need to group these all together now. So I'm going to click on the hole, the red box, and the green roof and hit group. And now you'll see it makes a hole through the birdhouse. And it's all grouped together. So if I move it, it's all together. However, I don't want a bright red birdhouse. I don't want the squirrels to try and crawl in and bug the birdies. So I'm going to make it camouflage, maybe a dark green. So it hangs in the trees and the birds or the squirrels won't get to them. And there you have your birdhouse. Ta-da!